Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagdish Chandran. Are the markets at the top? Are the markets at the peak? And are the markets topped out? These are the questions that has to be answered. Technically, markets are showing exhaustion. Nifty and Bank Nifty are showing signs of exhaustion, and Bank Nifty has shown a bearish candle on a weekly chart. Nifty 2 showing signs of exhaustion and weakness. Now what next? Investors, get ready for great opportunities to emerge in coming sessions and coming months for long-term portfolios for your wealth creation and achieve your financial goals. Traders, strategize your trades, trade with strict stop losses, money management and trade management, risk management would be key for trading success. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.